is Sexual Assault Awareness Month, and this morning we wanted to take some time to talk about how Wisconsin's National Guard is responding to reports of sexual violence.
Last week we were talking on the show that the Wisconsin National Guard recorded 52 reports of sexual assault between 2013 and 2017. Here this morning to talk about solutions are Robert Brania, the Guard's Sexual Assault Response Coordinator, and Amber Garfoot, a victim advocate. Good morning to you both.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you so much for joining us. Robert, let's start with you. You know, Senator Tammy Baldwin had called for an investigation into the Wisconsin Air Force, and now these reports of 52 sexual assaults reported over that time frame. What are you folks doing to address those?
Well, first of all, thanks for having us. We think it's really important that this issue is talked about and that we try very hard to make sure we're removing barriers instead of creating them. So having people understand the process that we demand be in place and the accountability that we demand of the organization is helpful. So we're aware of the investigation. Our prevention training focuses on bystander intervention. We also focus on talking about the issue of consent and what constitutes sexual assault and educating people best we can.
So more and more people are talking about this, obviously, in this day and age. You know, what are one of those things that you're seeing as far as people coming forward? Why are these people coming forward as far as the numbers go? Is it just more people are reporting it, or is more of this happening?
Thank you for asking that question, because it's very important to note, with regards to the military sexual assault reporting, a service member can come forward to report assault that occurred without regards to their military service. It could be something that happened in their civilian life. They can even report assaults that happened prior to entry into military service or sexual assault as a child. So the 52 reports that Wisconsin has taken in the last several years, only a small portion of those are related to military service.
Amber, let's talk a little bit about what it means to be a victim advocate. What does that all entail?
Sure. Victim advocate is basically a first responder to an individual who has been a victim of sexual assault. So we come in and assist them in any way possible that we can. Although we cannot provide legal or counseling services, we are able to point people in the right direction or get them health care services, help them find counseling services, or even just have a familiar face to talk to about their case that's a good confidential person to confide in.
So one of the things, obviously, you know, we're talking about it more. Is that why you're thinking more people are comfortable having the conversation, asking for help, coming forward?
I think societally we are going into a different era where people are more comfortable coming forward to talk about sexual assault. I mean, we watch the news today, and it's not just the Wisconsin National Guard where you see headlines of sexual assault. It's in different facets all over our country. I really firmly believe that individuals are feeling more comfortable because of that, and because they see it on the news and in multiple facets, want to come forward and get the assistance that they need.
All right, Amber and Robert, thank you so much for coming on and talking about this really important topic with us this morning.
Thank you.
Thank you.